So hello everyone, myself Pradeep Purath. Here I am presenting the skill training assessment test that is going to be conducted for the intermediate student, those who are giving the examination for June 2021 batch. So Institute has issued a notification on 5th August 2021. But before going into other things, let us clarify one important point. So Institute has mentioned here, please note that qualifying in the skill training assessment test for intermediate student of the June 2021 batch is not connected with appearing in the forthcoming intermediate examination already announced. However, to obtain respective certification on the skill training modules, you need to qualify skill training assessment test within 3 attempts with at least 40% in each module and 50% overall marks. So even if you are not able to pass the skill training assessment within 3 attempts, you will be allowed to give intermediate examination, because for June 2021 attempt, all the kind of trainings has been exempt. So even if you are not able to pass the assessment test, you will be allowed to give examination. So do not worry much about that. And passing percentage are same, 40% is for each module. For example, if you are going for the SAP, then in SAP out of total marks you have to secure at least 40%. In Microsoft you have to secure 40, and in e-filing you have to secure at least 40%, and the overall marks should be 50% or more. So that is applicable for our examination at least. So it will be applicable for the skill training assessment test as well. So now let's discuss some other points. Schedule of skill training mock test for intermediate student for June 2021 batch. So that schedule is for mock test. So that is not an original assessment, that is only mock test. So mock test is starting from the 16th August 2021 to 19th August 2021. So you have to at least give a mock test for in that period. So percentage will be weight of the marks will be in SAP 50%, for Microsoft 30%, and for e-filing it will be a 20%, and the duration will be only 20 minutes. So try to give examination, that is mock examination at least, and it is applicable for both the batches. So you have to give that mock test so that you will be able to see which kind of questions they are asking in the examination. So other important points are, the mock test portal will be open from 16th August 2021 to 19th August 2021, and students can schedule and practice multiple times. So even if you have attempted one time, second time, three time, you will be allowed to give a more and more attempts. So you can attempt for n number. The assessment test is scheduled from 20th August 2021 to 31st August 2021, and the students are required to schedule the assessment test date and the time slots well in advance. So whenever you are going to appear for assessment test, make sure you are scheduling your time and your date as well in well advance, so that there will be no any struggle while giving the assessment test. And this weightage will be same, and schedule is starting from the 20th August to 31st August. So during that time you can book your slot, and you can book your time as well. And the available time slots it from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So that is for 12 hours you can book your time. The duration will be 90 minutes, and it is applicable for both the batches. Students will be maximum 3 attempts will be given to pass the assessment test and for obtaining respective certificate. So if you want any certificate on the skill training on SAP, Microsoft and e-filing, so it will be definitely will give you a advantage while you are appearing for the any interviews, because if you have a certification on the SAP, Microsoft and e-filing, then definitely it will be more advantageous for you, and your resume will be more constructive, and it will be there are shortlisting criteria. You will be meeting the shortlisting criteria of the company, so that you will get a more advantage. So make sure you are giving the assessment test. Before that you are giving mock test, so that you will be able to understand the interference of the schedule, interference of the examination, about the paper pattern and everything. So make sure you are attempting the mock test, and after that you are attempting the all the that assessment test. And 3 attempts you are having the 3 attempts with you. So make sure you are clearing all the examination within that dates given by institute. So still if you have any question, you have to visit the link, that the link is given here. So simply you have to click on that, and then FAQ will be open. So here the number of questions are given by the institute with answers. So if you have any questions like what is like general instructions, schedule the assessment in well in advance, check your registered email id, and that is also important because you will get all the information, notification, reminder and result on the mail only. So make sure you are checking your mail, spam mailbox, your update mailbox, everything you are visiting, so that you will not be getting any difficulties while appearing for the examination. You can use your laptop, desktop, any tablet to or computer to appear for the assessment. So mobiles are most I think mobiles are not allowed. You have to use your desktop, laptop or tablet. Log into the portal 10 minutes before, so all the general instructions are there. How to attempt mock test, everything is given. Scheduling the mock test, how you can schedule your mock test, your assessment, and all the things are given in detail. So you have to make sure you are visiting that FAQ once, so that you will not be having any trouble while giving the assessment. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Even if you have any question, you can write in the comment box. And the most important is visit help menu to view a help video. So one should go through with the help video, so that you will be able to get to know about all the information about the assessment test. And even if you are having any query, then do a mail to the institute will definitely reply on that. So all the best for assessment test. And once again I will make one reminder video on that assessment test is going to be conducted. So all the best for assessment test, and give your best. Thank you, bye, and take care.